Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to watch together on Discord. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So I'm currently using Netflix on my Microsoft Edge browser, while also logged into my Discord. Now, to share your screen during a call, you need to click on a voice channel and initiate a call. Click on the screen sharing icon and select Go Live. However, there's an issue to address. Discord might not recognize your browsers as Edge, and this can result in no audio during the screen share. As I mentioned, I'm using the Edge browser. To fix this, let's start by ending the call. Go to your settings by clicking on the gear icon. Scroll down on the left side to find activity settings and click on registered games. In this section, you can add your browser or you're using Netflix. Click on add game and ensure that the overlay is enabled. You'll notice it says playing. Now return to the voice channel and you'll see the Edge browser on the screen. Share your screen and select the browser you're using. Then click Go Live. In this section, you can also choose to notify your friends. Select your preferred resolution, frame rate, and adjust other settings. And once you've made your choices, click on Go Live. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.